To use voice typing on Realme 14T, first we can check if the voice typing option is enabled. So first we're gonna go to Settings, scroll all the way down, open System and Update. Next go to Keyboard in Input Method, then choose Manage Keyboards and then choose Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Next you should be able to find voice typing, so let's go over here and make sure that it is enabled. In addition to that, you can also consider enabling faster voice typing if you want to. In order to now start using voice typing, we need to open the keyboard. And once the keyboard is shown, you should be able to find this microphone over here on the right side. So let's tap over here, allow Gboard to record audio so that the microphone can be used by the keyboard. So we can choose while using the app. And now whatever will be said out loud, it will be converted into the text over here. Once the sentence is done, the microphone is instantly disabled or deactivated. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.